Here's one for the Dodge fans. 2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10, regular cab short box, flame red, one of only 1,040 produced in this color in 2004. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 44,000 is all on this one. Of course, the SRT-10, aerodynamics down in the lower portion of this front end. We'll get into some more things that are special about this particular truck compared to a regular Dodge Ram. For instance, underneath the hood, 8.3 liter V10, I believe that'd be 500 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque, and that is paired up with a 6-speed T56 manual transmission. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, take a look at the undersides, interior. Check out all the still pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There's the Viper-inspired polished wheels that are on this. 22-inch to be exact. SRT-10 interior. Leather with suede inserts, 40-20-40, so you basically got two buckets and a fold-up armrest in the center. Center console with that 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, all your monitor amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, power locks. We'll get around to the interior, check that out a little closer when we start it up. Let you hear it run, and we're going to take a peek underneath the hood too. Coming around to the rear of this, as far as the stance of this truck, Dodge wanted the capabilities of a truck that would handle 150 plus miles an hour, so they had to do some suspension tweaks to it. This will have Bilstein shocks, performance tuned springs. Dodge basically custom tuned suspension, so it's lowered 1 inch in the front, 2 inches in the rear. Has a differential Dana 80 on it, 411 gears. That's what drives the rear axle. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's a truck that has not been used around the farm for hauling anything in the bed of it, obviously. And again, take a good look at the still pictures. Take your time. Undersides, bed, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You don't notice a lot of nicks, dings, chips, scratches on this truck until it's well taken care of. Granted, there's 44,000 and some odd miles on it. It may have a little imperfection here and there, but overall, this one shows very well. Power driver's seat over here, as you can see, along with the Infinity audio system. It actually has a big bass behind the seat that you can check out in the still pictures. Bass speaker. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Take a look at just lack of wear really anywhere in the interior of this. Now, as far as the seats, these are a suede insert. You're going to see darker and lighter. And what that is, it's the nap and that cloth. It will change depending on what way that suede is laying. So it's not that it's stained or dirty in the area. It's just kind of how the nap is. As far as seats, you're typical where you're going to have just the leather and its natural hide, the way it wrinkles. Bolster, what you'd expect from the interior, a well taken care of truck. Steering wheel controls for cruise control, resume, coast. Of course, tilt column. Up here you got a little A-pillar gauge for oil temp. Sliding rear glass. Let's take a look at the headliner. We have a little driver's information center up there in the upper center console. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You can hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood at the engine bay. Doesn't appear that the lighter was ever used. Push button start. AM FM cassette. AM FM CD. and then push button start. 44,661 exact miles. Take a look at the dash. It's all looking good. And then again, little information center up there, it looks like, as well as garage door opener built in. Dual climate control on this one also, for driver and passenger. Slip around to the back. Ooh, that sounds good. Great performance trucks, no doubt about that. Slip up underneath the hood of this, is take a little peek at the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look underneath the hood there first. Doesn't appear this thing's been driven any sort of inclement weather. Nice clean under hood. There's that V10. Again, what, 500 horse and 525 pound-feet of torque, I believe it was, I said. It's good looking red valve covers with the flame red truck. Hood struts all working, but you can see nice and clean, well taken care of underneath there also. Wow, it's a beauty, folks. 2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10, regular cab, short box. Clean Carfax, confirmed miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.